This week, I will show you one of the unlimited restaurants here in the Philippines. This is Overflow Wings Unlimited Wings and Rice. Yes, unlimited chicken wings and rice. You want to know more? Here you go! If Samgyupsalamat have unlimited pork and beef, the Overflow Wings offer unlimited chicken wings, rice, and unlimited ice cream. They have 10 different kinds of flavors: teriyaki, barbecue, mango rollen, sweet chili, Thai peanut with chili flakes, cheesy cheese, zesty Asian curry, lechon paksiw, and bestseller creamy white garlic and creamy sriracha. But they also have chicken soup, nachos, aguillo olio, shakes, chicken spaghetti, soft-serve ice cream like cone trill all you can for as low as 39 pesos, marshmallow with choco dip, 59 pesos, and unlimited ice cream for only 79 pesos. Overflow Wings Balibago, located at Balibago Commercial Complex, 4026 Santa Rosa, Laguna. Open from Monday to Sunday, 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. So what are you waiting for? Bring your family, office mate, and barkada! I hope you like my video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next week, bye!
Ganon. Rice all you can tayo, tapos isang rice na wala.